Today in my class, we're exploring the Middle East and different recipes that represent the area. And one of the great examples of a recipe that represents the Middle East, Lebanon, Israel, Turkey, Iran, Afghanistan, the list goes on, is Baba Ganoush. It's an eggplant-based dish. What we were using is eggplant that is roasted until it's soft. We would talk about roasting in that last video. We then add to that garlic, lemon juice, tahini, which is a sesame paste, salt, and olive oil. This mixture gets all put together in the bowl and is pureed. So several different techniques for the students to use, using a food processor, or if they want to chop it by hand. Then we finish the dish off with some extra virgin olive oil and parsley for garnish. Because the eggplant and clove and the tahini is all brown, we want to bring contrast to the dish. So that extra virgin olive oil is a gold color, and then some nice green parsley on top to be able to contrast the brown to the green. Baba Ganoush, it's great as a dip. It's a mezza. It's all throughout the Mediterranean. You should put it into your food repertoire.